The given line chart gives information about monthly website of the traffic. The line chart has two factors. One is a month such as Jan, Feb and March, while the other is a number of visits which varies from 2000 to 9000. It is evident the maximum value is for the June month which is almost 9000, whereas the minimum value is for the May which is 2000. On addition to that, Jan contains the value of 5000, Feb contains the value of 4500, whereas March contains the value of 6000. To conclude, the image gives information about the monthly website traffic.
This image provides information about monthly website traffic. From the picture, we can see there are different types of months from January to December. The value for the month of May is the lowest, which is less than 2000. The highest value is for the month in October, which is more than 9000. However, there are other values like in the month of July, the value is around 5000. The August has the number of 8000. To sum up, this picture gives information about monthly website traffic.
This image provides information about monthly website traffic. From the picture we can see in July the value is about 4000. In August the value is higher and it is about 8000. The highest number is in the June and it's about 9000. And the lowest one is in the May and it's about 2000. To sum up, the line chart tells about monthly website traffic in different months from January to December.
The given image represents the information about monthly website traffic. The data is shown in the numbers. It is crystal clear from the image that June has the maximum value that is around 8000. However, May has the minimum value that is around 2000. However, March and April have almost the same value that is around 4000 and 5000. To conclude, the image shows a lot of variations about monthly traffic website.
The image provided is a line graph that gives information about the monthly website traffic, while the x-axis represents January, March, May, August, and November. The y-axis represents 3000, 5000, 7000, and 9000. It is evident that in the month of June, the monthly website traffic is the highest, which is 9000. A notable observation is that in the month May, the traffic is the least, which is below 2000. Overall, the image highlights different number of visits during the whole month.
The image provided is a line which gives information about monthly website traffic. While the x-axis represents month, the y-axis shows number of visits. It is evident that June has the highest visits by around 9,000. In contrast, May has the least visit by around 2,000. Another noteworthy point is October is in the second place by slightly less than 9,000. Overall, this image clearly illustrates monthly website traffic.
The line chart is about monthly website traffic. Along the y-axis we can see number of visits starting from 2000 up to 9000, whereas along the x-axis we have all the months of the year starting from January, February up to November and December. The green line shows the trend of the graph. This is evident from the graph that May has the minimum traffic while the June and October has the highest traffic. That's it from this monthly traffic website from whole month. Thank you.
The given picture mainly speaks about the monthly website traffic, which is given in number of visits from 2000 to 9000 from the month of January till December. The highest value is during June, which is 9000, whereas the lowest is on May, almost 1000. Similarly, there are other values given in January, which is around 5000 visits, whereas for February it is 4500 visits. Overall, the picture mainly speaks about the monthly website traffic.
The given line graph gives information about monthly website traffic. According to the image, it is clearly visible that the highest value in June, which is around 9000, and the lowest value in May, which is around 2000. Overall, the image include elements such as January to December. The image include data like 2000 to 9000. To conclude, the graph is very informative and significant. Also provide detailed information about monthly website traffic.
The image provided is a line chart which gives information about monthly website traffic. In x-axis there is months and in y-axis there is number of visits. It is evident from this image that the highest number of visits in the month of June and in the month of November, which is above 9,000, and the lowest visit is in the month of May, which is 1,000 visits. Overall, this image provides information about monthly website traffic and number of visits.
The image provided is a line graph that shows information about monthly website traffic. First and foremost, it is evident that while x-axis shows the information about different months from January to December, y-axis shows the information about number of visits from 2,000 to 9,000. Moreover, it is also evident that in May, it had the lowest number of visits with the value of 1,000 approximately, and in June, it had the most number of visits with the value of 9,000 approximately. Overall, the image provides information about monthly website traffic from January to December.
The given line graph gives information about the monthly website traffic from the month of January to the month of December, which is shown in the x-axis, whereas the number of visits is shown in the y-axis. The maximum visits was done in the month of June and November, which was about 9,000, whereas the least visits were done in the month of May, which was 2,000. Another important number on the chart is for the month of August, which comes at around 8,000. Overall, the picture gives information about the monthly website traffic of data, which was minimum in the month of May and maximum in the month of June and October.
This line chart gives information about monthly website traffic. So the highest 50,000, 100, lowest level 2,000. In the middle of the photo I can see month as well as January, February, March. The main focus as well as green as well as white. In addition to this information about website traffic, to conclude there are some information about that can be used in future studies.
The given line graph gives the information about the monthly website traffic. X-axis represents the month from January to December, while the y-axis represents the number of visits from 2,000 to 9,000. According to the picture, I can see that the January there is a 9,000 visitor, while the lowest is 4,000 in the December, 5,000 in the January, while the July has a 4,000. To conclude, image gives the information about the website traffic.
The picture gives information about monthly website traffic. As we can see, the x-axis indicates months of the year such as January, February, March, and May, and the y-axis indicates number ranging from 2,000 to 9,000. The lowest number belongs to May with 2,000 and the highest number belongs to January with 9,000.